Bernsey, what do we got? We got stuff for Van's bird.
Yes, we do. Get a new carburetor.
Woo!
Yeah.
Blue 600.
Hell yeah.
And we got the igniter. It's gonna be good.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Can't wait till tomorrow.
Pull that out.
Here.
Some that box goes here. Ooh, I can use this to ship Ethan's Christmas present. Pertronix Ignitor.
Nice.
Those are easy. I don't know if you ever put one of those in.
Last time I did an igniter was on my 72 Dodge pickup.
Oh, yes.
We did it together.
Yeah, you know how to do it.
Yes, sir.
You know how to do this.
Yes, sir.
There it is.
New filter, new gaskets.
Don't use the plastic filters. These burn. Fuck these. You know where these go? Look out!
Yay!
That was awesome. That was on video too, with my left hand.
That's very pretty.
Yeah, those suck. So before you fire this up, I'll have a metal one over here.
Yeah,
over.
No problem.
But we really don't need one because they have the screens in here. But I'd like to filter the shitty fuel system in that thing. Ooh, it's got a 2023 casting date. This one's new.
Hey, look at that.
All right.
Early morning tomorrow.
Yep, that's the first thing tomorrow. You're doing that.
Yes, sir.
And the igniter.
Sounds good to
I
me.
want to actually put it on your to-do list. Okay. Bernsey, Tuesday. Finish Monty Electrical. He's on it. See, this was if summit order arrives, and it arrived now. So
late.
So that goes to tomorrow morning. Park lane accessories. We'll deal with that tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna work on this stuff. Scotty got all his stuff done.
Well, I helped.
Yeah, shake and bake. And you
Shake
help.
and bake.